So I wouldn't say people should be discouraged from coming here because of the snow, because the snow can be fun if really you enjoy it. Okay, enjoy it. And then as far as you can see now, I'm with my gloves, and then I'm actually on a very nice shoe, so that even though I walk like inside of the snow like this, I should technically be fine. Today is the first time we're having snow here in Edmonton. So it's actually the 2nd of November, and you can see it's snowing. The good thing about it is that at the start of the snow, it's not really that cold. As you can see now, it's not that cold now, but probably as time progresses, in the snow, especially maybe after some days, it really becomes really very cold and shivering. Snow, people are still driving, people are still going to school, because like I said, people have to, but they really have to drive like very slowly, because really slippery, right? It gets really slippery because of the snow. But I think for now it's not that bad. It's pretty cool. So let's see. I'm just going to be driving, and then so I'm actually walking to my car now. So I'm actually walking to my car now. I have to actually do some work on my car. So you can see, this is my car, ladies and gentlemen. This is my car. So as you can see, so I have to do some work to definitely clear it out. This is my neighbor's car. So I have to definitely do some work, to try and clean up the snow. As you can see, I've actually brought out my, brush. So I'm actually just trying to, so brush this out. And because without this, I won't be able to see the road, right? So I just have to be ready for it. It's not easy, but I have to go to work, I have to go to lab, so I have to wipe all of this one down. It's yeah, and oh my goodness, can you see this? See, can you see this? Can you imagine how much snow there is? Can I really drive to work this morning? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. So I think it's gradually becoming a little bit better. To be honest, okay, let me just do this a little bit and see. I'm almost freezing, guys, but I'm gradually getting there. You can see, so the car is gradually coming along. So let's get to work. Let's finish this up. Okay, so I'm just going to try to remove this, because whether snow or no snow, you still have to come to work, right? So it's not an excuse getting there. And then okay, I think I'm dry. So let's see the top of my car. I'm actually just going to leave it like that, to be honest, as far as I can see where I'm driving to. Is it beautiful? Oh my goodness. So that's what we see every day, that's what we face here, snow. And I'm just going to show you guys, I'm trying to clean the other side of my car. So it's a lot of snow. Okay, and then I'm just going to put, once I can see a little bit, I think I'm to be honest, I think I'm just going to drive like this. I can't do everything, but I think I can, at least now I can see what is behind me, so I should be fine. I think I'm just, finally I've been able to open my car. Finally, I'm about going to the lab now, so let's go there. Finally, I'm inside my car. So as you can see, everywhere is still front. You can see it's still white. So I'm just going to turn on the ignition and see what I can get out of it. Okay. Okay. See? For now, even my wiper can't come, so I have to go do it more. Oh my goodness. Stop it. I actually tried turning on my car, but my wiper could not even, come up. So I have to try to, see, I have all my gears, so I'm just going to make sure I'm able to get the snow out of the wiper. So that I need to go to the lab, I need to do research, right? I think I'm almost making some headway. Gradually, I think it's almost good. So I'm almost there, but we gotta move. So let me go and start my car now and see if it's gonna work. So finally I have gotten to school. Yeah, this is my beautiful university. And then I'm just gonna, so you can see now my car, I didn't have to, as far as I can see the road, that's fine. Well, with the snow on the top, I don't really mind. So let's be walking down to the university. Do you still want to come to Canada? If you're in Canada, how are you coping with the snow? Do you like it so far? I'm just going to try to lock my, yeah, so like I said, even with the snow, you still see there are still lots of cars around. So as you can see, still lots of cars around because people definitely have to walk. So what's your take about the snow here? This is actually our first snow. Actually, it might, we might see snow that is actually more than this, but I can't tell, how much snow we're going to have in the coming months. But let's see. Yeah, snow or no snow, business as usual. Everybody's moving around, all the cars are moving around because people definitely have to, go to school. So, thank you. People have to go to school, but usually when you have to walk like really very carefully because it's going to be slippery. So I hope you love the U of A during the winter section. Beautiful university. So this is actually the Edmonton University of Alberta. So this is the Edmonton Health Academy. There are different faculties that receive classes over here. I think yeah, so there's a lot of snows, but you can definitely see lots of cars, all moving around. This is really like the train station at the U of A. It's beautiful, and then beautiful university. Even with the snow, everywhere is still kind of busy. Medical sciences building, so medicine, pharmacy, nursing, they all take different classes here. I hope you guys like this video and you like the snow. I know it's a lot, but it's enjoyable. It's a lot of fun, right? As long as you have this to kick the hell out of the snow, you should be fine. Okay, you should be fine. So have fun. If you're new to this channel, do what to subscribe. I'm actually doing this video now to show you guys the snow, so please do it to subscribe and to hit the like button.